All right, everybody, Jared here, and I've got s'mores for you again. Now, the last video was more of an experimental video, but today I'm going to show you the perfect way to make s'mores in the microwave with your Tupperware MicroPro Grill. Now, this is going to be a little bit weird at first because it's going to be a lot of work, but it's going to give it that extra toasty goodness, which you're not going to get with your regular s'mores recipe. So what am I going to do is I'm going to start off with your basic s'more combination. Graham cracker, 2 pieces of Hershey chocolate, of course, and a single marshmallow. Now, I'm not going to put another graham cracker on just yet. Now, I'm going to do 4 of these inside my MicroPro Grill. So I've got right in front of me 4 little open-faced MicroPro Grill s'more sandwiches. Now, I am not going to put this on the grill mode, which is going to squish it down. Not yet. I'm going to put it on the bake mode, which is going to literally float on top. Now, I'm going to be honest with you, these marshmallows are really, really tall, so they may touch the top. But because it's a non-stick coating, you don't have to worry about that. It's fine if it touches the top. Now, I'm going to take this, I'm going to throw it in my microwave. Now, this is a cool MicroPro Grill, and you've got to know if you're going to use your MicroPro Grill, that if it's hot, things are going to cook differently. So I'm starting from a cold MicroPro Grill, and I'm going to put this in for 3 minutes. 3, start. And that 3 minutes is not just going to melt the chocolate and start melting the marshmallow, but it's going to start creating that wonderful hot space in there, which is not just going to melt the marshmallow, but it's going to start to toast the marshmallow. Now, it's not going to toast the marshmallow like an open fire where it's going to get hard on the edge, but you are going to see a little bit of brown and crispiness. And then, after this is done, I'm going to come back with my tops, put them on, put it in grill mode, slam it down, and do it for another 30 seconds. And that's how we're going to make the perfect microwave s'more. Now, timing here matters because the moment that the microwave stops is going to be an ooey gooey goodness, and I don't want to start cooling too quickly, so I don't want to just let it sit in there. That being said, I don't want to just rip the top off because if the marshmallows have stuck to the top a little bit, it could be whatever. So I need to open it up promptly, slowly take the lid off, slam these things on the top, turn, push, and go. It's a little bit of a timing here, but again, for the perfect s'more, it's so worth it. All right, so open it up. And very carefully, yes, so as I lift it up, you're going to see there is 4 little dots, but don't worry. And if you look, it looks kind of toasty. Look at that. Isn't that nice? So now that it's like this, I can grab my 4 graham crackers. Oh, and they're pushing down so beautifully, as I will demonstrate. So now I can kind of push them down. Look at that. Perfectly melted. But I'm not done yet. I'm going to come back over here, take mine. You're like, wait a second, isn't that going to make the tops a little sticky? Yeah, you know what? Deal with it. Now it's in grill mode. Push down, put it back in, and I'm going to go for another full minute. So that was 3 minutes to melt it and 1 more minute to squish it. Now, yes, there's going to be a teeny little bit of stickiness on top of the sandwiches, but if you know anything about s'mores, it's always sticky. Everything's sticky. It's a sticky mess. It's a yummy sticky mess, and we like yummy sticky messes. All right, so 43 seconds, and these babies gonna be good to go. I've got my official Tupperware spatula. All right, let's do this. Now we got it. All right, so let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Nice and gooey. You're like, what do you mean nice and gooey? Well, they ran off to the side, and I'm okay with that. So now I can come over here, and with my Tupperware spatula, look at that. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? That is gorgeous. It is chocolate. It is graham cracker. It is so yummy. It comes up beautifully because of the nonstick coating. And that is the best part about this is, nothing exploded in the microwave, and the cleanup is amazing. If I just wait a couple of minutes for the marshmallow to cool, this thing's just gonna pop right off of the MicroPro Grill. It is just gorgeous. Look at that. But let me tell you something. These marshmallows are not just melted. They are not just melted. There is that extra goodness of being inside the MicroPro Grill, which causes the heat to wrap around it, not just melt. So, oh yeah, there's that toast. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Can you smell that toasted flavor? Perfect. I'll put the recipe in the video. Obviously, you could have watched it, but it's 4 minutes, and it's that MicroPro Grill from Tupperware. If you're looking to get a MicroPro Grill, there's another link down there as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and share. If you do yours differently, that's great. Put in the comments. And if you don't like marshmallows, I don't like you. It tastes like a campfire. So good. Wait a second. I mean, we can melt marshmallows, sure. We can blow up marshmallows, sure. But what would happen if I were to take 4 marshmallows, put them on a stick, and then put it in the MicroPro Grill? It is a cold MicroPro Grill. And instead of letting it flatten, put it in the baking mode and see what happens if I get this hot. Will it crisp the marshmallows, or will it just make a gooey mess? Let's find out. It's toasty, but it's not toasted. It got a little bit of a crispiness to it, but it melted all wazoo. So, no, you really can't do this. Oh, it tastes so good.